yummy fruit salad. Today we make a fruit salad, and this is all the ingredients. Fresh apple, condensed milk, and condensed milk, raisin, cheese, fruit cocktail, all-purpose cream. This is all we need to make a fruit salad, a yummy dessert fruit salad. Okay, let's start our fruit salad. Today, let's make fruit salad. Okay, this is all the ingredients: fresh apple and seedless grapes, the green color. Then I have here fruit cocktail, cheese, all-purpose cream, raisins, then the condensed milk. This is the condensed milk. Okay, this is all the ingredients: condensed milk, raisins, cheese, fruit cocktail, all-purpose cream, and fresh apple and seedless grapes. Okay, let's start. Let's make fruit salad, a yummy dessert. Okay, first we put the all-purpose cream. Ayan, all-purpose cream. Okay. Three can, 170 gram. All-purpose cream. Small cut kasi siya. Then next is condensed milk. Still this one is 329 grams. Let's add one more can. Okay, then we put the fruit cocktail. Okay, make sure you rinse the water, the fruit cocktail, before you put. Okay, then next is our fresh fruit. We add our fresh fruit. This is apple and grapes. I think half only, because it will overflow already. Yan. Then we add the cheese. Okay, slice the cheese. Ayan. Very simple and very easy. You have a yummy dessert for New Year. This is our yummy dessert for New Year. Then I will add a raisin. If you have a nata de coco, because it's more better. You can add a nata de coco, but I don't have. Then I will add the raisin. Okay. Yan. Okay. More raisin. Okay. Yung grapes na nilagay ko is seedless grapes yan. Seedless grapes. Okay. More raisin. That's it. Then put on the chiller. This is yummy fruit salad. I'll try. It's more yummy okay, after this one, then you put on the chiller, on the freezer, on the ref chiller. Okay, and that's it, our yummy fruit salad. Don't forget to add the fresh fruit. Okay, nata de coco also, you can add a nata de coco or coconut, shredded coconut. Okay, very simple, very easy, and we can have a yummy dessert for New Year. Happy New Year. And this is our fruit salad. Happy New Year, everyone. Happy dessert. Yummy dessert. Ayan na ang aking fruit salad. Ready to eat na. Let's try. Let's try my fruit salad. Okay, I will try. Yummy. Yummy fruit salad. I prepared this one for New Year 2021. Ang sarap. Let's eat. Yummy. Ayan, my yummy fruit salad.